betuto dwa kakra dom kuma wo mrahye bedwafie John Darko Swame mrahye bedwani edi wo manim ema wo mo ye ensentwerofo enhia mu bi de nsem bi atudwa na ni nyina no yenkonkotie nsem na kakra na afi yenimu enkomo.
Because we believe that there are former constitutionally established bodies that can investigate any so-called from the minority of the government. Is to what are they doing? Any invitation? What they are doing is to go about part of it, taking vehicles. Because we believe that there are constitutionally and more or less taking over lands from people who have genuinely purchased land. What are they doing? What they are doing is to go about what the former government officials have done, taking vehicles, seizing vehicles, and that's legally taking over lands from people who have genuinely.
Nhyira FM.
What the members have also what the lands in this government officials have done. The executives who could get to properties, they live legally in the cantonments. No, they live in the airports. They live in the charges. Lands which were government members, which they bought many years. Lands in this advice to you from the minority. The executives could get any invitation. They live in the country. They are not going to be part of it in the airport because they live in the charges. Lands which were government lands. From the minority years ago is to boycott any invitation invited by team. We are not going to be part of it because we believe that there are constitutionally established bodies that can investigate really so-called business of the government. Because we believe that there are constitutionally established bodies.
All right, Nhyira 104.5. We join you live on Facebook. We John Darko. So me mrahye bedwani kotofo we pia nua so. Na ewo mrahye bedwafie ogina edom kuma no anim na ode nsem tudwa se oral committee no. Invitation bi omudi be ma obi bia se omra. Eno ema meka simbi ana o medan bibia edi wo ho no. Eni se obia etu ni na esi oral committee nani. But oral committee no Niju media ankasa anything. Okuju Chablakwa. Ono ye chairman of the oral committee no. Ono nso akasa atre omuju media omu bedi mu. Yentie no ansa na de be
have lands in this country.
Aristocracy and kleptocracy that had really engulfed this country, the total wastage and hemorrhage that was going on. So let us situate this in proper context. Our team, the first team that has been set up, and remember, it was set up during the transitional period when he was president-elect. So if you look at the statement which the president authorized to put out, our mandate at this point is simply to gather information. That's all we are doing. Okay. We are a receptacle. We are receiving evidence, information, data. And then when we have received that, we want to make sure our report is credible, is thorough. So you see us doing field assessments, carrying out validation to make sure that the reports that have come through, either through our toll-free numbers, through our websites, our email, or people coming to volunteer information, all of those reports, we make sure we verify them, they are well validated, and then it will be put together in a comprehensive, credible, impartial report, which will be presented to His Excellency the President. So this is phase one. What we are doing is just phase one, right? Gathering the evidence. So when, for example, I hear the minority today hold a press conference and say that they are asking their members not to respond to our invitation. Nobody is inviting anybody. We have not been inviting people. We are not investigating people. And then it will be put together in a comprehensive, credible, impartial report, which will be presented to His Excellency the President. So this is phase one. What we are doing is just phase one, right? Gathering the evidence. So when, for example, I hear the minority today hold a press conference and say that they are asking their members not to respond to our invitation. Nobody is inviting anybody. We have not been inviting people. We are not investigating people. We are not summoning people. We have not called anybody to appear before us.
Enti Okujo Trabla kwa wono ye chairman ema eye operation recover all loot no ena ote ne nka no se ochire mu omudwumadie mu ena ochire se minority na asem a omukan ye no se ono omu inviting crofo nti invite obi a ema obi a nko no so omu invite obi a but wa kire eye omu eye mandate no se they are only to gather information na omu egada wie nsu a ebia omu nya so yeyi omu asutire na no makoho enso akohwe edo omani akohwe se be ya ade na omu tro ho report no omu betumi atro ne ye na mum omu mfre obi a so omu na metena omanim ebi omu bebisa bisa omu asem na omu be ye nsem no mu nhwehwemu enye omu dwumadie no na omu gada ni nyina no a the final part no eye se wono mo de beko akọ abo eye mampani amane no mama enyumaku ahodo a wono mo se fata so wedi hu dwuma no wedi hu dwuma but asem kakra me woka wa ha ne se obi a me kan me say anyone who is against the mandate of the oral is a thief. Obia oral we why wadwen say oral ni dwumadi a wo mu bedi no why wadwen say wo sorry atia no sebe mpreduasa wo kromfo obia oral we ya wo hoi say gather information omo mandate ni say they will gather evidence no ma submit sa evidence no to the appropriate agency institutions no omo support omo as a supplement and answer as support to those agencies no matumi a proper investigation into the matter no wo sorry tia oral bia no you are a possible thief. Yes nienti etie ne say yenim se Okujo Tablakwa for instance as a chairman of the oral ono ne de senate hotels yanke ye beton ho nsensem nyina betu dwam ye hu se sika kra na nke ye ton aye yi no kra na se nru eho ayi bia ono anso ne dan no ma bebre edi national cathedral di a shrage kra no ekodu o mani mo ye se omo suspect corruption wum enti atwase ye mu nhwehwemu no ono a na ye intercept ya ode sa no ma nyina etutu dwam ye wurawura mu ye bewuram bia anso ne ye hu se bibi efrimu ba expired foods ya na nka SHS yi nyina no Okujo Twabla kwanso ene nam ne so ne tanko fibuache okatim ne yenim de waye okrumu a domelevo yenim ono so nhwehwemu ahodo a waye okrumu a enti team no a wo mampani set up before kura se obetna adwaso no kire se owo niswadi hunu se no se opeso of fight corruption e kanoma nan a o table ye no ye be fight nso age se yenya evidence yetimi gada no ma because obu okura wa che no kro se menye kromfo and o mamu ha ye wo de friend the Whistleblowers Act 2006 Act 720 no kire se obi a ade bia sini epemu adansidie mu nhwehwemu na se wani ehunu ananse wo hu adansidie a utumi kɔ ekobo amane enyumeku a se fata se bia prosifo ananse ye mu ye nhwehwemu atumi kɔ yi asutire bo amane na mmra no so kyerɛ se wo abɛbɔ amane se yɛbɔ ho ban kato achi se bɛ ya bibibo ne ento ebi kura wo mmra no sa ma ho kwan se yetimi kura abɔ waba so ewom with the Whistleblowers Act enti ena ebinimo ebie o maso se obi wa asem bia public yate team yi se obi o wa asem bia o mfa nko yenim se Whistleblowers Act no wo na nso nipa bebre wo mu suro so mbekwa prosifo anim because onim se o ko ikura prosi ni amekoto ni adwa mansa kura amekoka ne ho asem kura matese wo ware ni nua ba se anhwe kura no akotemeto ne yakume enti ebi bebre nim am robbers kura mutumi ko wi ade ebi hu o manim o munim o nso ntimi nkoka because onim se wo koka net wo da dia ekene bi ye ba ne so enti bebre suro but this aura is set up say kura na ebi anka wusuro so obeyi kasa asemasi na obenti no de ko mo wo fa chire ka kire mo no mo nkoba amane ye ne ma enti we ne ade a eso authority a we even have citizen arrest Me kɔ me hu so obi yi ade bi ebi o sɛ aban agapade bi na oyɛ bibi a ɛyɛ abɔnefo sɛm a metimi ma ho ɔden kra nso a metimi afrɛ nipa bi aka me ho ne ya kye no de na kɔ police station empempi yɛ nkyɛ akromfo wɔ efie ne ademfo mo kɔ police station wo yɛ prosini anu amfrɛ prosi amɛkye no ofie hɔ but utimi yire no de kɔ police station ekɔbɔ amane ma police for the jiwa dance die ne evidence no mutimi de mra ne yɛ adwuma etia de ne support sɛ ade a yɛ de ba se yɛ de betu keta se prejum kankan aso yɛ betumi atu ase ne any state institutions ni nyina wo kuma and yɛ set asset task force 2017
from the minority
asset task force na na do na kwa kufu ado set task force no se omaye japan bi di bi adwane bi kuko ayi nti omo nhwehwem
because you believe that there are
kan se task force no kura duma no kura de omo nhwe ko kura omo tie sim agwa claim enyapade ahodo amamfo
what are they doing? What they are doing is
this
to go
oral team memaka se wa utie bia no
taking vehicles
bia na no bi hye woto
and more or less taking over lands from people who are
genuine so sorry etia oral and next to the DC supporters here
what the former
government officials have done 2017 ya the abronye groups bia omo ti omo hu so ebi great mi sheda ewura ba bi so omo ye bia naifo ye kai ni land fio no ma wura ho ni akọ bi fie ni abo awura we se bia na fo so no munye bia na ebi si pem ye condemn ye and this time
the executives
you should stop NDC supporters now moye sa they already set up who information be afakoma ora no so push it forward and the agencies will act on it so we the bibia ko sie di fie na no ma ko bo awura GC bi fie ade ye lutu no ma afri ni fie nti wo ko no si bia ayira say ya aka what will you say Tima ora no enye adwuma
is to boycott
don't go against the aura because what obey say bia no
we are not going to be part of it because we believe that there are constitutionally established bodies that can investigate any so-called
we cry the aura emi say mo be hu social media because etwa no
what they are doing is to go about
ye dey come school for so mo nie
entering homes
school car no and ye see akọ
seizing vehicles
and akọ yunuane na gu o ma taxi etwi nuane no e de ko ama obi akọ pion so je fa no to so mame quickly na afi yentie nipa na o ma ye we no ne nsem anu wo ka nuane o ena ewurade a o man bin na manfo trimu edin hwe enuane nyina
Chito Secondary School bus, the tomatoes they are using for the students. I saw the bus, I was going somewhere, the big bus came, the school transport bus came to offload the goods here for this driver, taxi driver to load.
Sunyabra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 lebe hwe nuane pa yako ichese yako yi tin tomatoes ahodo a yako yi de aguwuram ositito secondary school enuane ese ko na ewuram ho de yako yi de agu a se hwan na kofa taxi no nipa kro no a odi hu dwuma na ma yemewia fa ngu taxi mo mfa nko yentie.
This is happening in Sokode Bogame right away. And this one, you'll be blaming government that government is not good. While our own people are killing our own people. Close the booth. I want to take your car number. I will report this to the police right now. Right now. Chito Senior High School. They are the bus just left here now. And look at the thing they transport here. The food items that they transport here. They came to offload this in the bush here. Make the driver park on the street, waiting for them to offload the goods. And now, and this they will start to say Mahama is not good. Mahama is not good. Look at this. This is tin tomatoes. This is tin tomatoes. But the government bought all this thing. You see the wickedness of people. While the people, the students are there without food. Master, what he did, is it good? And me, I was never to see here. And you the police is now the jailer. Sukuvio want to violation. Net viole secondary school. Open to do me fever correct beme. Basa ba kojo 50 basa ba dagba trojo yina. I just saw this right now and I know there's something wrong. The school bus, the U-turn bus from Chito High School, Senior High. The driver came to offload these goods here. Contracted this taxi driver. This is the car number. This is the car number. Okay? This is the car number. Tin tomatoes. So, my brother will be going to the police station. Yes, we have to fight for Ghana. First, my name is Apostle Ekacho. When you go to social media, you see me there. I will not support any evil. And they're beginning to blame government, that government is this, government is that. While our own people are very wicked and evil. So I'll be calling the police to come for you.
Enti abusia ba nhira 104.5 Facebook ena enuane ayede koma school fo no obi dia koguragura mu a chese omu chese odwin enti headmaster no a owo school mo driver no nso ofa ho no any matron wo school mo expect aduane no ede okay ima osei jemfi ewa development consultant ena